ship with a belly of tea. The wind blew up and her bow dipped down. Blow, me bully boys, blow.
Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. Someday when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
She had not been 2 weeks from shore when down in her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow.
Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail come up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and fought her, but she dived down below. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. Someday when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
For 40 days or even more, the line went slack then tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only 4, but still the whale did go. Well, as far as I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut, the whale's not gone. The Wellerman makes his regular call to encourage the captain and the crew and all.
Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. Someday when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.